Great. Okay, so back to potatoes, because that is, again, one of our early season crops. We put ours in like around February 9th here in Texas, but just look at your average first freeze date or your average last freeze date. This 13 to 16 weeks before your average first freeze, that's going to be for fall potatoes. So really 4 to 6 weeks before your average last freeze. So if your last freeze is in March 15th, then if you count back 5 weeks, that puts you at February 9th, which is what we use. So potatoes are started from seed potatoes, or you can go to the grocery store and just buy organic potatoes because they haven't been sprayed with the anti-sprouting stuff that commercial potatoes are sprayed with. You only need a 2 to 3 ounce piece. And so if you have a giant potato, you can cut that into smaller pieces, actually like get a scale out and kind of weigh it and make sure that it's the right size, and make sure that it has an eye on it. And when we're planting potatoes, I like to dig the furrows, and I want to leave the potatoes exposed until I'm done arranging them, because I might get to the end and have like 10 potatoes left. Then I'll go back and I'll scoot everything down a little bit. You know, so that, and if you've got everything covered, you can't remember where you planted. And so we leave it all open. We have a great video on our website, just shows the entire process of planting a bed if you want to learn more about that. But I love this picture at the bottom because it is a good testament as to why we have sidewalks in our garden.
Yes.
And so some people think, well, I don't want to spare 3 feet for a sidewalk. And let me just assure you, you are going to be using that space.
Yeah.
You know, you may not have stuff planted in that space, but the roots of those plants are going to be under those walkways, and the foliage of those plants are going to be using those walkways. So it's really nice when I'm harvesting this bed on the bottom, how I can sit on that nice black plastic. I'm not sitting in dirt, and I can harvest.
Like me last year, sitting in sticker burrs.
Oh yeah, or fire ants, or even worse.